So you got the old TD2 out again, covering another nose repair. Hopefully, if we're careful, it could be the final nose repair. Or does that sound too final? I don't know. But I do enjoy these aeroplanes. They're such fun to fly. What to tell you, really. Actually, it's all fun, just vary in degrees. Some days more fun than others. Yes, well, I think their nose repair successful. Oh, yep. Yeah, I think so. Looks like it to me, anyway. So a little bit of a slug left and right. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a bit better. And of course CG might not be exactly where it was before, but you know, it is what it is, and it is great fun to fly. Slow or fast? No, it's very fast. Mostly slow, actually, to be fair. So I was trying to be clever last time, flying it upside down, and it does fly upside down. It flies well upside down. But I was too low. So I did Billy Biff the motor a bit, so it does sound a little cranky. So it might not last that long. Yeah, does sound a bit, not so good. 8x6 prop, no actually it might be an 8x4 prop, I don't remember. 8x4, 8x6, it'll fly on either. And it's 1500 battery, and I had to do a field bind today because I brought it all this way without a receiver. Luckily, it's on Spectrum, so it doesn't take 2 minutes to do. And I finished flying the Goblin for today because I haven't got another battery that suits. Oh no, yes, I'm afraid so. Trying to go. Oh, that was a little bit too close to the ground. What do you think? Yep. Now, is one of these a bit odd? Yeah. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Crashes would have done it good. Probably moved the battery forward a bit. It can only go so far because there's a firewall, but battery wall, battery bay wall. Yeah, no, see it does fly upside down. You just got to be on the ball with it. Wow, super! What a super afternoon. I'm sorry I missed the working party this morning, but as nobody bothered to call me, I wasn't here. I could have been here. Done a good job though, lads. Guys, whatever you want to call yourselves. Team? Members? Perhaps not members. For all you gas guzzling monsters that you fly, you need a big strip. Me, not so much. Me, I'm quite happy just to fly me little foamies. Some sometimes come out with bigger models, but not today because the wind is behind cross strip. It's not very strong, but makes it awkward. Wind from behind it across those trees is pretty variable. Pretty variable. Everybody should have a TD2. They discovered delta wings during the First World War. They'd have been laughing. Laughing's not the word, but right, let's just check this landing gear stuff out. Yeah, well, it does make a difference. That stops you breaking the prop off, and that definitely makes a difference. But it's not quite long enough for this prop to avoid the prop striking the ground, so you've got to make sure you're wound down by the time you get there. But it does work. Whoop. After a fashion. And there you have it. I got 2 batteries for you though. Ha ha.